If a cone of maximum volume is inscribed in a given sphere, then the ratio of the height of the cone to the diameter of the sphere is. So let us consider the diameter of sphere. Let us consider the sphere in which the cone is inscribed. Let us consider the height of the cone is h, capital H. Let me write here. Let h be the height of the cone and capital R be the radius of sphere and small r be the base radius of cone. So we can write here, this is small r and here it is a capital H, small h total, and let's take the center origin. This is say O. Let point O is the center of the sphere, and we know that the radius of the sphere is capital R. So from here to here it is R and here R. So here we can say this is H minus R. Say this is M, OM. OM is equal to H minus R we can say, and this is small r, the radius. So say this point is A. So from triangle OMA we can say capital R square is equal to H minus R whole square plus R square, small r square, or we can also write capital small r square is equal to R square minus of H minus R whole square. And volume of sphere, the volume of cone, let us consider. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is equal to 1 by 3 times pi into r square, we can write it as capital R square minus h minus r whole square into h. Let us consider this as a function in terms of h, like f of h. And to get the maximum volume, so we need to find f dash of h is equal to 0. So we can write, let me write in the next, f of h is equal to 1 by 3 into pi of r square minus h minus r whole square. Then f dash of h is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into h here. So UV rule let us apply it. So h into r square minus of h minus r whole square into differentiation of h is 1, and again now plus pi by 3 into h into differentiation of r square is constant is 0, and now minus 2 times of h minus r into differentiation of h minus r is 1. With respect to h we are doing, so we can write pi by 3 taken common, r square minus h minus r whole square, we can write h square minus r square plus 2hr, and again here we can write minus 2h square minus or minus plus 2hr. So r square and r square gets cancelled here, and 2hr plus 2hr is 4hr, and this is minus 3 h square. So pi by 3 times of minus 3h square, and here it comes 4h into r, and for minima or maxima f dash of h is equal to 0 for minima or maxima. So let us consider pi by 3 times of minus 3h square plus 4hr is equal to 0, or we can write 4h capital R is equal to 3h square, or we can write 4 capital R is equal to 3h, or 2r is equal to 3h by 2, or h upon 2r is equal to 2 by 3. Since 2r is the diameter of the sphere, so we can say that the ratio of the height of the cone to the diameter of the sphere, that is 2r, is given by 2 by 3, that is 2 is to 3, or 2 by 3 is the answer. So we can go with an option D, 2 by 3. Okay, thank you.